Welcome back to Quiz Terrain. Your IQ is very high if you can score at least 30 out of 50 on the science quiz. 50 questions, 10 seconds. Are you ready? Hit the like button, let's begin. What part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? A. Roots. B. Stem. C. Leaves. D. Seeds. Answer: C. Leaves. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Answer: C. Au. What mineral is essential for strong bones and teeth? A. Iron. B. Potassium. C. Calcium. D. Zinc. Answer: C. Calcium. Through which of the following can sound not travel? A. Solid steel. B. Liquid water. C. A vacuum. D. Compressed air. Answer: C. A vacuum. What is the freezing point of water in Celsius? A. 10 degrees Celsius. B. 0 degrees Celsius. C. 32 degrees Celsius. D. Minus 10 degrees Celsius. Answer: B. 0 degrees Celsius. Which vitamin helps blood clot? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin K. D. Vitamin D. Answer: C. Vitamin K. Which scientist developed the theory of evolution by natural selection? A. Gregor Mendel. B. Louis Pasteur. C. Robert Hooke. D. Charles Darwin. Answer: D. Charles Darwin. Why does oil float on water? A. Oil is more viscous than water. B. Oil repels water molecules. C. Oil contains trapped air bubbles. D. Oil is less dense than water. Answer: D. Oil is less dense than water. Which type of acid is present in vinegar? A. Citric acid. B. Hydrochloric acid. C. Sulfuric acid. D. Acetic acid. Answer: D. Acetic acid. What is the speed of light approximately? A. 30,000 kilometers per second. B. 3,000 kilometers per second. C. 300 kilometers per second. D. 300,000 kilometers per second. Answer: D. 300,000 kilometers per second. What is the boiling point of water in Fahrenheit? A. 180 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 212 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 200 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Answer: B. 212 degrees Fahrenheit. What is the central part of an atom called? A. Electron. B. Nucleus. C. Proton. D. Shell. Answer: B. Nucleus. What type of energy is stored in food? A. Electrical energy. B. Chemical energy. C. Nuclear energy. D. Mechanical energy. Answer: B. Chemical energy. What layer of the Earth do we live on? A. Crust. B. Mantle. C. Core. D. Inner core. Answer: A. Crust. What is the powerhouse of the cell? A. Nucleus. B. Ribosome. C. Golgi apparatus. D. Mitochondria. Answer: D. Mitochondria. What is the pH value of pure water? A. 7. B. 5. C. 9. D. 14. Answer: A. 7. What is the SI unit of force? A. Joule. B. Pascal. C. Watt. D. Newton. Answer: D. Newton. The energy of food is measured in what unit? A. Calories. B. Joules only. C. Watts. D. Newtons. Answer: A. Calories. What is the scientific term for a shooting star? A. Comet. B. Asteroid. C. Meteor. D. Nebula. Answer: C. Meteor. What color is produced by equally mixing red, green, and blue light? A. Yellow. B. White. C. Purple. D. Gray. Answer: B. White. How many days does it take for the Earth to orbit the Sun? A. 365 days. B. 300 days. C. 400 days. D. 330 days. Answer: A. 365 days. What causes AIDS? A. Bacteria. B. Fungus. C. Virus. D. Parasite. Answer: C. Virus. Where are chloroplasts most found in a plant? A. In the roots. B. In the leaves. C. In the stem. D. In the flowers. Answer: B. In the leaves. What part of the brain controls breathing and heartbeat? A. Cerebrum. B. Medulla oblongata. C. Cerebellum. D. Hypothalamus. Answer: B. Medulla oblongata. Why does rubbing a balloon on your hair make it stick? A. Static electricity is created. B. The balloon becomes magnetized. C. Friction makes it stick. D. The balloon absorbs natural oils. Answer: A. Static electricity is created. Which physical law is known as the law of action and reaction? A. Newton's first law. B. Newton's second law. C. Newton's third law. D. Newton's fourth law. Answer: C. Newton's third law. What part of the brain controls balance? A. Cerebrum. B. Cerebellum. C. Medulla. D. Hippocampus. Answer: B. Cerebellum. What blood cells help fight infections? A. Red blood cells. B. Platelets. C. Plasma. D. White blood cells. Answer: D. White blood cells. Which organ produces insulin? A. Pancreas. B. Liver. C. Kidney. D. Stomach. Answer: A. Pancreas. Which of the following is a greenhouse gas? A. Nitrogen. B. Oxygen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Argon. Answer: C. Carbon dioxide. What is the chemical symbol for potassium? Answer: B. K. What does ornithology study? A. Reptiles. B. Insects. C. Fish. D. Birds. Answer: D. Birds. In which medium does sound travel the fastest? A. Vacuum. B. Air. C. Steel. D. Water. Answer: C. Steel. What type of blood vessels carry blood away from the heart? A. Capillaries. B. Arteries. C. Venules. D. Veins. Answer: B. Arteries. Which of these is not a conservative force? A. Gravitational force. B. Electrostatic force. C. Magnetic force. D. Frictional force. Answer: D. Frictional force. What is the process of cell division called? A. Mitosis and meiosis. B. Osmosis and diffusion. C. Fermentation. D. Transpiration. Answer: A. Mitosis and meiosis. What is the SI unit of electric current? A. Ampere. B. Volt. C. Watt. D. Ohm. Answer: A. Ampere. How many classical fundamental states of matter are there? A. 2. B. 4. C. 3. D. 5. Answer: B. 4. Which liquid has the highest density? A. Seawater. B. Glycerol. C. Honey. D. Mercury. Answer: D. Mercury. What electrical charge does an electron carry? A. Negative. B. Positive. C. Neutral. D. Variable. Answer: A. Negative. What type of simple machine is a staircase? A. Lever. B. Pulley. C. Inclined plane. D. Wheel and axle. Answer: C. Inclined plane. What type of animal is a frog? A. Amphibian. B. Reptile. C. Mammal. D. Fish. Answer: A. Amphibian. Who is known as the father of modern physics? A. Isaac Newton. B. Albert Einstein. C. Nikola Tesla. D. Stephen Hawking. Answer: B. Albert Einstein. What sweet substance do bees produce using nectar from flowers? A. Sap. B. Syrup. C. Honey. D. Wax. Answer: C. Honey. Graphite is the crystalline form of which element? A. Silicon. B. Sulfur. C. carbon. D. Boron. Answer: C. Carbon. What is the longest and strongest bone in the human body? A. Tibia. B. Fibula. C. Humerus. D. Femur. Answer: D. Femur. What is the process called when a caterpillar transforms into a butterfly? A. Mitosis. B. Mutation. C. Molting. D. Metamorphosis. Answer: D. Metamorphosis. What part of the human body contains the smallest bones? A. Ear. B. Hand. C. Foot. D. Nose. Answer: A. Ear. What is the smallest unit of matter? A. Atom. B. Molecule. C. Cell. D. Compound. Answer: A. Atom. Which scientist discovered gravity when observing a falling apple? A. Galileo Galilei. B. Albert Einstein. C. Michael Faraday. D. Isaac Newton. Answer: D. Isaac Newton. Pick your next topic, and don't forget to share your score with us. Thanks for playing along. See you in the next quiz.